Hi, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see sound, vibration and mood modes. Just to select one from the modes, you should just click on sound, vibration or mood. In mood mode, you could also use the temporary mood just by click on the switcher and mode it for 1 to 3 hours or to set the custom one. In sound mode, you could use vibration while device ringing. We could switch a phone ringtone for scene 1, scene 2, and notifications also. In system sound, we could switch a system sound volume to change system sound temp if you want, and to activate and turn off the touch interactions, dial buttons, charging sounds, screen lock and lock sounds, and keyboard sounds. With the help of the switcher, just by click on the switcher to activate this option or to turn it off. Here we got also the volume section. We could switch ringtone volume, just media, notification and system volumes by slide to the left or to the right side with these dots, and also we could use volume keys for media with the help of the switcher, and when we'll turn it off we'll change the volume of the ringtones. Let's go back. We could also switch the call vibration, the notification vibration, system vibration, but also we could activate and turn off the vibration feedback for touch interactions, dial pad, keyboard charging and navigation gestures, the vibration intensity, just to decrease and increase it. In sound quality and effects, we could also switch the equalizer options, and in separate app sounds we could turn it on or turn it off. And also we could just use the don't disturb mode. We could turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode just by this way. By click to the switcher we could set the schedule, the start, the end time, and just to change the to allow some calls, messages, notifications from any apps or alarms during the don't disturb mode. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on now a Galaxy A24. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.